ẹ káàsán gbogbo ni mo kí gbogbo wa lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí ẹ káàsán Susan wà ló ń kí wa ń bì báyìí. Mo kàn fẹ́ fi àwòrán yìí hàn wá ní arábìnrin kan tó ń pè ní Miss Afolabi, Kemi Afolabi. Ó máa ń ṣe eré lórí actress ni, ó máa ń ṣe bíi Nollywood, àwọn náà máa ń ṣe Nollywood drama tá máa ń wò àti fíìmù nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀ ara wọn ni. So ó bá lọ sí Ikoyi lè ní ṣá, ẹ jẹ́ ká jọ wo nítorí tó fojú rí tó fojú rí ní Ikoyi. Kẹ́ bá mọ̀ pé wọ́n Nàìjíríà irọ́ ló bá dé gbogbo ẹ̀ látòkè délẹ̀. Ara ta ṣe láti tẹ̀síwájú lórí ọ̀rọ̀ òmìnira wa nìyẹn. Àwọn àtúntò tá a máa ṣe ká tètè ṣe ń sìn torí àwọn èèyàn wa ń sìn à ń sọ wọ́n jí àdà láti ràn wọ́n lọ́wọ́ láti ṣiṣẹ́ àpapọ̀ ká gbọ́ òmìnira yìí torí ìyà náà fi ń jẹ wá. Ẹ wo ètò yìí omi afẹ́ lè máa bójú lórí jẹ yìí náà, ẹ jẹ́ ká wò.
State of Ikoyi post office. Look at the state. Look at the state of Ikoyi post office. I'm just here to pick my payslip from YouTube, and this is what I am seeing. Like, are you guys for real? Look at the states, and this is in Ikoyi. This is in Ikoyi. Look at the states. I mean, I don't know what the governments are doing. Like, all these things, they matter. Especially for people who travel abroad and you see all these things. I can't imagine myself going to a post office abroad and look at the states. Take a good look at the state of a post office. We will keep saying our own, no. Look at it. Everywhere is just hot. Look at the walls. Dirty. This is post office, oh. This is post office. Post office. This is appalling to say the least. How can this be a post office to start with? How can this place be a post office? Look at the delivery counter. Look, there's nothing working. Excuse me, I'm sorry, please. Are these computers working? Are they even working? So how do you guys keep track of what is going on here? You use your phone? Oh my God. I need to go and look for people in charge of these things. Honestly, this is a sorry case. Like, I am so disappointed to say the least. Look at a post office. What is happening to us in Nigeria? Who do us like this in this country? Who do us like this in this country? I'm just here on my own trying to pick up something. Look at what I'm seeing. Look at leftovers of papers at a post office. Isn't this crazy? Isn't this horrible? No. Just take a good look. Please. Excuse me. Hello. Please, who is the manager? Do you guys have a manager here? Which woman? Where is she? I want to have a talk with her. Let me call her. Let me call the manager. Look at the post office. Oh. This is Ikoyi. Bourdillon Road, Ikoyi. Look at the building. The walls are even falling off. Look at the wall. Look. God. Oh my God. My day is already spoiled. I just want to quickly pick up my payslip from YouTube before I proceed to where I'm going to. My day is spoiled already. Look at the walls. This is a post office entrance. So, what is wrong with us in Nigeria? Like, no, it's like nothing works. Nothing works. Look at the walls falling off. This is a post office entrance. So this could even fall on anybody. God forbid that it is me. Uncle, excuse me. Please, can I speak with your manager? Can I speak with your manager, please? Please, can you get me the manager, please? Look at post office. This is post office. Where is she? Post. Mo ṣe play boy, you see, ọ̀rọ̀ play kan ló ṣe mí. Inú mi ò dùn. Post office. Post office. Entrance post office. The ceilings are falling off. This is an entrance of a post office. So, Madam, are you the manager? Please, can I have a word with you? Can you tell me a reason why this place is in this shape and you guys are working? Are you guys happy to work this way?
My dear, our PMG, he was here last December, and he promised that he's going to be on top of this.
This last December, you're talking about 2022, right?
Yes.
Okay.
He's doing something about it right now.
Is that what he said?
Yes.
And how did you guys even get to this point? That's what I want to know. Because it is something that's been going on for long. Look at it. Just take a good look. I mean, look at this. And to think that you guys are working. Are you guys comfortable here?
We are not comfortable, but he has promised us.
This is not a promise. He's not doing it for you. He's not doing it for you. He's doing it for the public. This is for the public. Look at this. Look at this. This is it. And you guys are working here. I mean, what is the problem? And you guys are here. You are working. Look at the nets. Look at, man. Are these things even working?
Yes, they are working.
In this state?
Yes.
Subhanallah. Subhanallah. Man, this is a, man. When you're thinking of something here, you definitely miss. Look at the state of the post office. Look at the state of the post office. A post office on Bourdillon, Ikoyi. Oh my God. Hey, Ọlọ́run máa ṣàánú wa nílùú yìí o. Ọlọ́run máa ṣàánú wa o. I'm so ashamed. I'm ashamed to be a Nigerian. I swear to God. I'm so ashamed. Like, what is actually working? I want to know what is working. I mean, what does it take? What does it take the government to be able to do these things? What does it take them? I want to know what it really takes them. Look at the state of the post office. I mean, what does it take? I'm surprised that they're telling me these things work. Look. A post office, Nigeria post office on Bourdillon, Ikoyi, oh. Take a good look. Take a look. Man. Post office. Oh. This is post office building. Oh. Post office building. This is post office building. Oh. Look at the states. Because Nigerians, we don't complain about anything. You see? We don't complain about anything. Everything goes for us. Look at the workers. Nigerians, if they find themselves in some situations, they adapt to the situation. Because they have to earn a living. They need that salary to eat. They need salary to feed the family, even if it's not comfortable. Look at the state of Ikoyi post office. Man, my day is spoiled. Like, I'm really sad. The environment isn't conducive. It's not conducive for workers. Look at them. And they're still carrying on with their work. They're going on with their work as if nothing is happening. Kilo kan when then what a je. Post office. Post office Ikoyi. Bourdillon Ikoyi. This is Nigeria. You plan to do something. It's something else. You are in for something else. Madam, thank you for your time. Like, to say that I'm sad is the least of how I feel right now, because the list of things, the basic things that was supposed to, that's supposed to be, this is not a personal building. This is a government building. It's not a personal building. It's owned by the government. I even wonder if they even come for any. They said the PM, or the GM, or whoever the woman was referring to, was just saying that he has promised them.
It's not his business.
He has promised them. He's promised them that he's coming to do it. He has promised them that he's coming to do it, as if he's doing them a favor. This is a government office. This is governmental. This is something that the government are in charge of. This is where the citizens go every day, maybe to pick up letters. This is where they dispatch, mails from.
So, nte gbọ́ nìyẹn o. Bẹ́ ṣe gbọ́ o. Ẹ ti rí bó ṣe rí báyìí o. Tá bá sọ pé one Nigeria irọ́ ni, àpẹẹrẹ òun náà lè rí yẹn. Àpẹẹrẹ one Nigeria lè rí yẹn. Kemi Afolabi, àwọn tó máa ṣe actress, òun ló gbé kí n jáde. Adúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ tó sọ gbọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ yìí. Ibi tó dẹ̀ ń lọ yìí kò lè jìnnà sọ́dọ̀, kò lè jìnnà sítòsí èmi ló kan, kò jìnnà rárá o. Ẹ wo, àníṣe ṣe àwa Yorùbá nation, ká sọra wa jí, ká ṣe wa lọ́kan, ká wá pe àwọn tó kù tó ń sì sọ̀rọ̀ pa ìdìbò yẹn ká sọwọ́ jí kárí pé kọ́ mọ̀ pé irọ́ ni ìdìbò yẹn bá wá ẹ wo náà náà ẹ wo àrùjù báyìí ló ká tó máa lọ ẹ máa padà wá ná àmọ́ ẹ jọ ẹ bá pé ètò ìbẹ́ bá ṣe ń rí ọ̀rọ̀ náà tó máa ní ọ̀rọ̀ pèsè jẹ ọ̀rọ̀ yìí àgbọ̀dọ̀ dákẹ́ ṣá àgbọ̀dọ̀ dákẹ́ àwọn àtúntò kan wà láti ṣe nínú Yorùbá nation wa àmọ́ síbẹ̀ iwájú ní ká tẹ̀síwájú lórí ọ̀rọ̀ òmìnira yìí lápapọ̀ wa mọ́rọ̀ gbogbo wa ni ẹ ṣeun gan ẹ ṣeun adúpẹ́ kò ní sí wọ́n kò ní rẹwà láṣẹ Èdùmàrè ń wo season wa lórí Oduduwatvradio akínyìn àtúmápadà akínyìn ó dìgbà kan náà àtúmápadà ẹ jọ̀ọ́ má gbàgbé láti bá a subscribe sórí Oduduwatvradio lórí YouTube Oduduwatvradio 2 a máa fi líǹkì yẹn náà síbẹ̀ ẹ ṣeun adúpẹ́ ó dìgbà kan náà ẹ ṣeun ó dàbọ̀ ó dàbọ̀. Ẹ má bínú mo kàn ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ rántí kíní kan mo fẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ gbọ́ orin ká tó gbọ́ ká tó máa lọ mo fẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ gbọ́ orin mo fẹ́ dìídì gbọ́ orin ni ẹ má bínú ó máa da ká gbọ́ ká tún bóyá tún jí wa how long ìyà tó dẹ̀ ń jẹ tí wọ́n fi ìyà tí wọ́n fi jẹ àwọn èèyàn ara ẹ̀ náà ni tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ níbẹ̀ yẹn tí àwọn òṣìṣẹ́ wà náà máa wà nínú ilé jẹ́ pé ewu nǹkan kan lè jábọ́ lé wọn lórí ẹ wò wọ́n Nàìjíríà irọ́ ló bá dé ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ orin ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ orin ẹ ṣeun.
My people, constitution, no be lie, na lie, na fake, na fraud. That year constitution, na in them they claim, close to na high. Make una wake up, make una wake up. How long? filter obi no be the solution. Now the solution, now be the solution.
Yes, sir.
Make una wake up, make una wake up. Time don't knock, baga. In Yoruba man, you be Biafran. I want make una know say self-determination, now your right you. How long? Una go dey suffer? How long? No be Nigeria. La 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 la. Oh.
So, ẹ̀yin yẹn mi, ẹ ṣeun. Ẹ lè rí orin yẹn, ẹ lè ra lórí ẹ lè ra orin yẹn lórí iTunes àbí Spotify. Tẹ́ bá tẹ̀ á jáde. How long una go dey suffer? Tẹ́ bá tẹ̀ síbẹ̀ á jáde. Citizen AY. Ara tá à ń bí àwọn èèyàn wà nìyẹn. Ọdún mélòó la fẹ́ fi máa jẹ ìyà yìí? Àsìkò tó ká lọ gba òmìnira, ká gba òmìnira. Ẹ jẹ́ ká sowọ́pọ̀. Ká ṣe kíní lọ́kàn. Gbogbo wa la ní ipa láti kó nínú kíní. Ìyà tó tán fi ń jẹ wá ó ti tó. Àrùjù báyìí lọ, a tún máa padà wá. Ẹ ṣeun, season 1 ló ń kí yín láti orí Oduduwatvradio. Ó dìgbà kan náà. Ẹ ṣeun, ó dàbọ̀.